Let me give you a quick breakdown of the differences between the PetSafe and Neakasa litter boxes. Now, I was gifted the Neakasa for review, but my opinions are my own, so let's get into it. Now, starting with the Neakasa litter box, this is clearly an open face litter box, really great for extra large cats or timid cats, and this entire drum will spin to dump any of the dirty litter into the drawer below. It has a really great app and is very clean overall. Now, the PetSafe litter box is a fully enclosed drum. It is definitely better for cats that are comfortable with climbing into a smaller space. So it is not going to be for your oversized or timid cat, but it is a very pretty litter box. And this entire drum spins to clean it, and it also dumps the dirty litter into the bottom drawer. Now, they both come with apps that have a variety of settings. PetSafe's app is definitely on the simpler side. You really can only control how long it waits after a cat uses the box before it cleans and turn off some of the beeps and lights. Pretty simple, but it will track when your cats go into it, what their weight was at that time, and give you that usage history. Now, the Neakasa also has an app, and it has more features. Not only will it let you control when it cleans after a cat's been in it and report to you which cats has been using it, but it will actually track it by cat names, so you can look at quick glance on the graph and see how many times each of your cats has done it, instead of with the PetSafe that only tracks by weight and doesn't actually track by individual cats. Now, what I love most about the PetSafe is that it is the prettiest automatic litter box that I have come across. This is a box that can sit in your living room and look good doing it. And it also has the smallest footprint of all the litter boxes I have tried. It really is a compact, efficient size. And another piece I love about it is that it does have a deodorizer in the litter catch, so that really keeps things smelling a bit fresher. But what I do not like about this litter box is that it is a confined space. Only one of my cats will use it. My cat that has no issue with using any box whatsoever. My extra large ragdoll kitty will not consider using this box. And no matter how pretty it is, if your cat doesn't use it, it's not the right box for you. Now, the Neakasa is not really a pretty box. You can see all the litter, and as it dumps, it does dirty this top section, as you can see. So it's always going to look a little dirtier. This one is definitely designed to be put out of the way, but I think this is the most cat-friendly automatic litter box I have come across. Most of them are confined in some way, whereas this one, thanks to its open top design, is really great for any cat at any size and any personality. It also has an extra large dump drawer, which is a pro and a con. I love that you do not have to empty this as fast as most of the other automatic litter boxes, but it also means they can get quite smelly. And while the drawer stays very well contained while the litter box is in standby mode, when the box is dumping, it opens that entire space up to be able to dump everything into it, which is when the smell comes out. So this one can get much smellier, but it also gives you a lot more freedom because you can go for a long trip and this is not going to overflow, and you can always just dump it faster if it starts getting smelly on you. And finally, let me show you how each of these clean themselves. And one of the things I find really cool about the Neakasa is that it actually does a few rotations, and that's to roll up anything the cat might have left on the top of the litter to get it super rolled so it doesn't smell as much when it gets collected in the lower drawer. And now they're both spinning back into place, and they both will actually overspin, and that is to get the litter into the bowl correctly, and then they'll level out. I can't imagine using a manual litter box after using these, so I definitely recommend getting an automatic litter box, and I think these two are fantastic options, both high quality automatic boxes, just differences in style and needs. So I hope this video helped you pick the best one for you.